It's Disco Day.
Disco Friday!
What's up? There we go.
I dance like an old white man with a bad back.
Well, yeah, there's that.
Well, I am an old middle-aged man with a bad back. So we are
going on today.
We are doing a little bit of rough filler work on the 914. So we put the GTR in.
It's looking good.
It's getting there. So we should get the rest of the parts by middle of next week that we're still missing.
Nice.
And this gets transferred over full time to the body shop.
Very nice.
So I figured to get some prep work done.
There you go.
So go get that stranger.
Yeah, what's he doing here? Stranger danger. All right, let's see what else. We have a rare treat for you nice people out there. We've got the one, the only.
Hey everybody.
Hey. What are you doing here today?
I am just coming by to do as little as possible. How about that?
Solving a problem.
That's like, what you do is you wait till somebody's doing something. You're like,
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put that there. Right?
With that. No, wait. No, just turn it. That's how you help.
That's it.
Did that help?
It did. Not.
That's awesome. Well, we're glad to have you here.
We're glad to be back. Well, you know, we stay busy.
You know? Yeah.
And you guys stay busy.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when you get that free moment, you got to come to where your heart is, I guess.
The dark side was
The
calling
dark side.
to
You got to come to the dark side with heart a little
You know?
bit.
That's it. That's it.
You did. You know, a little
Happy belly?
Happy Belly. Got a little lunch with Miss Sue and Mr. Spook.
There
so,
you go.
You
That
know, I'm
works.
well fed. I like it.
That's awesome. That
Right.
works. That
Take
works.
the camera off, you know.
There we go. What are you doing? Oh, he's got his lunch going. All right, all right. You're not laying on the cement today, huh?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
The day's not over.
The day is young still. That's good. And how about you, Rodney? What are you up to? Taking
6 foot.
instruction? Oh, there we go.
Yes, taking instruction.
6 foot, a ruggedly handsome man.
He can't help it.
Oh, he's just so sexy he can't help it.
That's it. That's it. So we got sexy in training. There we go.
You have to deal with it sometimes.
That's
You know, it's a burden.
It is.
It's a gift and a curse.
Exactly. You ought to know.
So that's why we do what we do.
All right, then whose best do we have here?
Big fail.
I don't remember the client's name. Jeffrey's doing a
Big fail is his name.
McPhail?
rewire.
Oh, nice. He's got quite the accessories.
propane accessories. This thing's all stickered up.
Yeah.
I actually kind of like it.
Yeah?
Come look here.
You're digging that, huh? I like the purple velvet. That's
Oh yeah.
bound chicka wow wow.
So the Bob Father. I have no idea what that is.
Oh,
But
this
this
is
is
Bob Marley, I think.
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
But then
Doesn't look like it though.
He's got like
Oh, wow. That's some serious adhesive.
I literally didn't know.
Oh, it is sadly lacking in
I was going to say something.
swag from the dark side.
well, we'll give him one, and
All right,
if he
see if
decides to
it-
put it on there, then it's up to him.
There we go. Oh, there's more down here too.
Lots and lots and lots.
That's, you know. Do you ever have vehicles that are basically held together with stickers?
Lights weren't working, headlights weren't working.
You've seen others.
I've seen this.
You've
yes.
seen worse stuff.
I've seen much worse stuff.
What's the worst thing you saw holding cars together?
Besides the concrete,
Oh yeah, you had the concrete.
fence post,
Oh yeah, I forgot that
galvanized
one.
steel.
Wasn't that in
fence
Betty
post.
Bus?
That was in Betty Bus.
Wow.
Chicken wire, Mexican newspaper,
Zip ties on that one Gia.
zip ties,
Zip
dirt,
ties, people.
dirt daubers.
Oh, holding it together.
Yeah.
Let's use nature.
Yeah, and a couple of wasp nests that actually were holding stuff together.
Oh
so
man,
it's just kind of bizarre.
that is.
So we had 3 clients get done yesterday,
Nice.
and then 2 get done today.
Wow, you guys are all about the last 5% now.
There's that kicking.
Getting it done.
This one's now done.
This is Black Widow?
This is Black Widow. So this is a 59. And check this out. Oops.
Whoa! All right, wait, we got to get a bigger shot on this one. Do it again, do it again. Woo!
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, it is.
Hydraulics or bags? Oh, that's cool. Is it bags or?
No, this is hydraulics.
Nice.
So this was kit made from Demon Motorsports out of Florida.
Yeah. Did
and
you just install it?
well, Rodney installed it.
Okay.
But yeah, we did install probably a couple weeks ago.
Nice.
So it only takes about 20 hours to put in.
That's
and
pretty cool.
we went ahead and this is a graft in the rag top.
Okay. So this used to be a solid roof?
Yeah, this was a hard top. And I just finished this up yesterday.
Very nice.
So, because we finally got all the parts and pieces.
That's pretty cool.
So then we got the last part and piece, which is that little short rail
Alright.
this morning, and it went in, and
Good.
the car is done.
Yay!
So Jeffy did a little tune on it this morning, took it for a drive, and I think he liked it.
That's
But
cool.
he's over there yakking on the phone.
Oh yeah.
So,
So isn't there something happened to Puddles?
Puddles is over at Rodney's.
Oh, I think she's getting her legs stretched this
A
weekend.
little
eh?
bit.
Yeah.
A little bit. So the motor needs it needs to be tuned in.
Okay. Did
So-
young Stone have a little adventure driving?
I don't know.
You don't want to know about that, huh?
They haven't told me nothing.
Stone, you drove Puddles, right?
Huh?
Do what?
Did you drive Puddles?
About adventures and Puddles.
26 miles on it now instead of 6.
Okay, that's better.
One Robin's not.
And Stone had a drive, right?
Short one, but yes.
Was it fast?
Yes.
Furious?
She plays nice. She plays nice.
There you go. Well, that's
She's
good.
a pretty
Take her for
stable
good
car.
cruise, Yeah.
She's a stable
Good
car.
cruise.
Say what Floyd says about it.
Was it the white pedals, the scary pedals?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's an overly built motor.
It's
and
got a few
transmission
good
and
go fast goodies.
lots of go fast goodies. That was a test motor that we did, the base motor we did on every other motor that we had done since then.
Yeah.
So it did all of the tunes and tricks. We want to see how far we could get with that size. It's a 1914? Yeah, it's a 1914. so
Wow.
2 liter. It should move pretty nice.
Vroom vroom.
Vroom, vroom. Hey Jeff, you want to tell them what you're doing on this?
On this one, yeah, give me one second. We bring it down to a safe position.
I like that.
Everybody's demoing it now.
Yeah.
I mean, like,
I would just sit in traffic and do that just to mess with people. You know?
Go down the road and
Yeah.
it actually goes so low the frame horn hits the ground in the front.
Oh.
So I would put blocks on the bottom, like copper blocks or something, and let them scrape.
Yeah.
Sparks everywhere.
Oh
I mean,
my
copper
gosh.
burning.
Is there like a scrape plate or whatever?
So the front of your frame horn has a lip on it.
Yeah.
And that's what's actually catching it
Okay.
on
But
it.
isn't there something you could put, like knowing this
Yeah.
is going to happen?
Yeah, there's a plate that they make and they design it where it comes from the front and around, so
Right.
you don't tear everything up as much. And
Okay.
it allows a little more slide.
Right,
The
okay.
frame horn is very rigid and it'll just hit the ground on it. So yeah.
That's a bad feeling.
Yes. Oh yes. Scary.
So what are you doing to this big green beast?
I am doing a complete wire harness on this one.
Okay.
So it came in, and the switches have been just tore up throughout the years. When something broke, they didn't replace it. They just put a new switch in there and bypassed the old switch.
That's common.
Yes. The sad thing is it's way too common.
Yeah.
It takes longer in the end to replace these than it does to repair it the first time
Sure.
the right way.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So now he has it to the point that he turns the turn signal on, and his fuel gauge goes like this. Headlights turn on and off. I don't know what's going on with it. I think there's 5 extra switches in the
You
dash
just never
now.
know what is going to
You have no
happen if
clue.
you turn in the flip. Oh
not,
my gosh.
not at all. And it does something different every time. So it's most likely a ground problem somewhere, but
Oh,
trying
yeah.
to find that ground and then sort out the wiring mess underneath it.
No,
it's
just replace it. Yank it and replace it.
Exactly. You'll be faster
And the other
and
thing
cheaper.
too is like, all right, so it's doing funny, weird, bad stuff now, but it could just as easily do dangerous, bad, weird
Yes.
stuff.
Oh, yes. Once all that happens, you can have the blue genie come out.
Yeah.
And-
Oh no, we talked about that last time.
Yes.
No blue genie.
Yes, not at all.
Not
But the-
nearly as cute as I dream of genies. Not to be confused.
No, it sounds very nice and touchy-feely. It's
Yeah,
not at all.
No.
And in this case, all the wires that are primarily messed up are under the dash.
Okay.
So if it happens driving down the road, you can
Kaboom.
have a fire up under your dash, and you have stuff pouring on your feet and your legs. and
That's
it
leg
can-
warmers of a bad kind.
Yes. Oh yeah. Molten plastic is not fun.
No.
Not fun at all.
So-
So I'm in the beginning stages now of tearing everything out of it and getting ready to put a whole new wiring harness
So
in.
here is Jeff replacing wiring and saving lives. Woo. Not all heroes wear capes.
Yep. Have
All right.
fun.
Say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye.